To get water ripple effect when unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with your fingerprint, you have to enable show animation when unlocking option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics, tap fingerprints, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern, and then tap the gray on off switch next to show animation when unlocking until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will show water ripple effect around the fingerprint scanner icon when you unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.